Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your G-comb attachment to your clippers. These combs are essential tools for achieving consistent hair lengths, whether you're grooming pets or cutting human hair. They are designed to easily snap onto specific detachable clipper blades, ensuring a smooth and even cut every time. Remember, selecting the right blade for your comb is key to optimal performance. Before attaching your G-comb, always ensure your clipper blade is thoroughly clean. Remove any trapped hair or debris to prevent snagging. Next, choose the G-comb that matches the specific hair length you want to achieve. Finally, quickly check the comb's metal clip for any damage. A good clip ensures a secure and stable connection during use. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially during those longer grooming sessions. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your water cool and accessible. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To attach the G-comb first, carefully align the hooks of the comb's metal clip with the base of your clipper blade. Then, with a gentle but firm motion, push the comb upwards and over the blade's teeth until you hear or feel a secure click. Always double-check that the comb is firmly seated and stable, with no wobbling, before you begin clipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.